Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to join a room in Skribbl. EO. The process is straightforward and ensures you can quickly connect with your friends for a fun game. First, open your web browser and navigate to the official Skribbl EO website. Once there, look for the private room area on the main page. This is where you will input the unique code to access your desired game. It's the only way to join a specific private game. Skribbl EO room codes are essential for joining private games. Think of them as a secret key to your friend's drawing party. Each code is a unique string of exactly 6 letters and numbers. It's crucial to type this code precisely as it was shared with you, as even a single incorrect character or a difference in capitalization will prevent you from entering the room. Accuracy is key here. Sometimes you might encounter a small hiccup when trying to join. If you're having trouble, first, double-check the room code you entered. A common mistake is a simple typo, so review each of the 6 characters. Also, make sure the game host hasn't already begun the round, as you typically cannot join once a game is in progress. Finally, ensure your internet connection is strong and reliable. Congratulations, you've successfully joined the room. Once you're in, you'll see the list of players and the chat area. Take a moment to say hello to your friends. The game will begin once the host decides to start the first round. Then, get ready to either showcase your artistic skills when it's your turn to draw or put on your thinking cap to guess the words others are illustrating. Enjoy the game.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.